Impikiswano emayelana nokufuduka kwabantu bakwamanye amazwe kanye nokulawulwa kwemingcele kuya ngokushuba eNingizimu Afrika ngenxa yokukhula kwengcindezi ekusetshenzisweni komthetho wabokufika kuleli kanjalo nokusebenza nje komthetho kweminye imiphakathi. Kanti Forum for South Africa kuyifosa ngamafuphi ithi lesi simo siveza ubunjalo bezinselele ezikhona zokubusa nezomnotho ezwenikazi lase-Afrika nokuyisona sizathu sokuthuthukela kwabantu bakwamanye amazwe ngobuningi babo bengena kwelengabade. Leli qembu selishaye ikhwelo lokuthi ohulumeni basemazweni ase-Afrika abaxazulula izinkinga zabo emazweni abo labe selinxusa neNingizimu Afrika ukuthi iqinise kakhulu kunakuqala imithetho yokungena kuleli. Ifosa iphetha ngokuthi ukushawa indiva kwalenkinga kungaphepethekisa izinxushunxushu ezweni kuphinde kwandise umthwalo ekubeni khona ozinzo.
The ongoing migration crisis facing South Africa is not accidental. It is the direct result of failed leadership across parts of the African continent. For too long, governments in countries such as Zimbabwe, Malawi, and others have failed their own people through poor governance, economic mismanagement, corruption, and lack of opportunity. As a result, millions are forced to leave their home countries in search of survival. South Africa cannot and must not become the default solution to the failures of other states. We say this without apology. African leaders must take responsibility for fixing their own countries. Their citizens should not be compelled to seek dignity, safety, and economic opportunity elsewhere due to leadership failure at home. At the same time, we call on the South African government to enforce its own laws decisively and consistently. A sovereign state must have control over its borders, its immigration system, and its rule of law. Failure to do so creates instability, fuels public anger, and risks social conflict. Fosa warns that continued inaction will deepen tensions between communities and undermine national stability. The current trajectory is unsustainable. Our position is clear. South Africa must enforce immigration laws fairly and firmly. African governments must create conditions for their citizens to thrive at home. And regional cooperation must replace denial, inaction, and blame shifting. We reject lawlessness, we reject violence, and we reject any form of division that pits people against each other. But we will not remain silent while South Africans are expected to carry a burden that belongs to the entire continent. Enough is enough. Leadership must act now.